Alright, here we go. Another box of 15 Bowman Chrome Baseball. Let's move these stacks over. This is hobby. Off we go. Right out of the gate, Addison Russell series next. This card's flipped around. Jake Cave. I like that name. Tall Boy of Schwarber. Matt Olson and the Ryan Howard. First auto's in, Correll Prime. I think he's actually a pretty good prospect for the Rockies. Put that aside. We'll do a recap of the autos and the numbered refractors. I haven't hit a Correa base rookie even. Monty Harrison. Dominic Smith updates. Those are the top 100s and base. That's a nice one. Purple. Victor Caratini. Cubs backstop prospect. 250. 250. Caratini. That aside. Aaron Judge. Eloy Jimenez. Wilmer Defoe. You guessed it, base. Base. There's a Kang. There's a Tall Boy of Correa. A neat little card. Dominic Smith. Kendry. Xander. There's an orange. Steven Bruno. Orange refractor. That's why we do the hobby. 14 of 25 for the Cubs. Those oranges just pop. They're great. Finnegan. Hunter Renfroe, top 100. There's an Addison. That's a good one. Kang refractor to 499. Chapman in color. More color. Purple, Loney. 250 on the loan. Okay, that's it. Let's do a box recap. I used to do these all the time. I don't know why I stopped. It's a nice way for people not to watch the whole video. Loney purple refractor, 250. A Kang refractor rookie, 499. Orange of Steven Bruno for the Cubs. Victor Caratini, Purple Refractor, Auto 250, and a base of Corel Prime for the Rockies. So overall, I'd say that one was pretty good too.